Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus. You know, one of the great things about StudioLive Series 3 mixers is that they're so easy to navigate. And one of the easiest yet incredibly powerful tools you'll have at your disposal is the ability to copy a channel's DSP setting and load it on another. It literally could not be any easier. Let's take a look at how it's done on a Series 3 console mixer's work surface. Here we see the console's Fat Channel section along with the touchscreen and the top parts of some of the channels. I'll select a channel and change the EQ settings. I'll then hit the Copy button in the Fat Channel section, and now all of my other channel select buttons start to blink. I'll hit the Select button of the channel to which I want to transfer the settings. I'll hit the Load button, and now all of my copied settings are on the new channel, and I'm done. It literally is just as easy as that. Series 3 mixers are packed with so many super quick workflows like this, giving you all the power you need for your live shows and recordings. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.